Morning, guys and girls. I'm at a different site here on the Arkansas River, checking out an old building. Don't know what it was for. I'll give you a look at it. Guess you can see it right there. Got some rock foundation. I'll get over on the other side and then I'll show you the cellar hole, I guess it is, maybe. And right over there by that tree is the outhouse. And you can see the railroad trestle. And right down below it is the old Narrowgauge bridge that's torn out. And the Arkansas River is just over there past my car there. And first hole here, I just dug. Got me a nice old heel plate. First dig, pretty cool. I was here yesterday, but damn wind was howling, the highway traffic, river, and I didn't have my headphones, so I just quit. Back today. So first decent little find. Awesome, I love this iron stuff. Okay, we'll see you in a few. And here's the back side of that building. Not real big, but it's like maybe a cellar hole here. The guy just stopped by and told me that from what he knew, it was an old railroad workstation from the 1890s where they would have hung out and did repairs, stopping by with the narrow gauge. So this might have some interesting stuff. See you in a bit. Well, just got me a wrench. Pretty cool. Looks like it broke and they threw it away. Specialized wrench, a railroad wrench. So cool. See you on the next one. Hey, and in the same hole, I got this. I think I know what it. I think I know what it is. If you look at it, I don't know if anybody else knows. That's what I think it is, anyways. It was the toe part of a boot or shoe repair tool. There would have been a bottom half down at this with the heel portion, the middle of the foot to heel. You can see this one had a rib here and sat on a pedestal. I've seen these before. Pretty cool. Maybe I can find the rest of it. Alright, see you on the next one. Okay, here, look at this. Harmonica reed, part of one. I think I found some of the wood pieces that were in it. I tossed them. Well, that's pretty cool. Just in the same area right here. It must have been a little dump, so I'm going to keep a looking. I just popped this out. A lid. It's a NYAL face cream. Brass lid. Screw top. Pretty cool. Alright, see you in a bit. Just popped up this fine little horseshoe. Looks like that one worked hard. Wore the whole front off of it. Thrown shoe. Cool. See what's next. Alright, just popped this out. Top plate to a stove. Pretty cool. Pretty good shape, no name or nothing on it, but see, it was down there Oh, about 6 inches. Pretty easy to find. It about blew my ears out. Alright, see you on the next one. Hello, here we go again. Got me a little button. It's kind of cool. I don't know if you can see. It says... Still, it didn't say anything. It just got a little choo-choo train on it and a couple stars. Pretty cool. I'm going to have a couple more holes and I'm going to be gone. See you in a bit. Okay, I think this is my last hole. This is pretty cool. It's got me a nice old axe. Axe head, should I say. It's down there pretty deep. This is a pretty big one. You can see in my hand. Looks like it was an offset. For hewing logs. Very cool. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'm gonna sign off now and get home and eat. Alright, bye bye.